This is the final episode of Ramayana, the greatest epic of our country. I'm humbled for having been able to share the story of Lord Ram in my YouTube channel, and I sincerely thank all of you for having supported me and showered your love throughout this journey. Thank you once again. Lord Yama came down to the earth disguised as a Brahmin to meet Lord Ram. He wanted to deliver the message that it was time for Lord Ram to leave to the heaven. Hearing these words, Lord Rama was delighted and he told Yama that he was happy and ready to accompany him to the heaven. Lakshmana was guarding the chamber where Lord Ram and Lord Yama were talking and discussing things. Suddenly, Sage Durvasa, known for his short temper, arrived and he asked Lakshmana to let him meet Lord Rama immediately. Lakshmana told him humbly that Rama was busy talking to a Brahmin and he did not want anyone to disturb him. As usual, Sage Durvasa lost his temper and he was furious and he cursed Lakshmana. He told him to leave the earth at once and also told him that his curse could not be made ineffective by anyone. Lord Rama made Sage Durvasa realize that Lakshmana was just sticking on to his duty and Sage Durvasa had wronged by cursing him. Sage Durvasa felt very bad, but a curse is a curse, it could not be reverted again. Sage Durvasa repented his actions and left the palace in a grave mood. Rama said to Lakshmana that indeed he had to be punished as Lakshmana had disobeyed him and so he disowned him. It is written in the Vedas that disowning by dear ones is equivalent to death. Lakshmana then went back to his chamber to prepare for the final departure. Rama felt helpless. Lakshmana had disobeyed Rama. Besides, the sage had already cursed him to go to the heaven. All the brothers tried to stop Lakshmana, but he did not listen to anybody of them and he went to the bank of river Sarayu. He held his breath and controlled all his senses and entered the water. Just then Lord Indra descended on the banks of the river and urged Lakshmana to sit on his flying vehicle. As he sat, the vehicle carried him to the heaven. After Lakshmana's departure, Rama was devastated too. He decided to follow him to heaven. Rama met Hanuman and told him that he should stay on earth forever. It is believed thus that who worships Hanuman is blessed with courage, valor, wisdom and knowledge. Rama then sent Lava and Kush to the kingdoms of North and South Kaushala. He also requested Bharata and Shatrughna to take over the kingdom and assist his sons. But Bharata and Shatrughna refused. They too wanted to go to the heaven with him. And a few of the people of Ayodhya also wanted to accompany Rama to the heaven. The three brothers and the few people entered Sarayu. Then a divine chariot came from the sky. Everyone boarded the chariot which carried them to the heaven. The gods and the devas in the heaven were delighted to receive their Lord Rama back again in the Vaikuntha Loka. Thus ends the greatest epic of our country, the Ramayana. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.